Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to earn $260 per week just by searching Google. And I know right now that might sound hard to believe, but I'm actually going to prove to you that not only is it possible, but there's actually thousands of people from all around the world. Yes, this does work worldwide, where people are earning $13 to $15 or more just to search on Google. And if you subscribe to the channel, then you know I'm all about finding the best, most creative, most newest, interesting ways to make money on the internet. But even by YouTube standards, this strategy is pretty awesome. And first and foremost, I do want to give a big shout out to all of you beautiful people out there who are subscribers of the channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. Make sure you do me two quick favors. Tap on the little like button until it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe and join the Bell Squad so that you stay up to date on all of the best ways on how to make money online. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about something called a search engine evaluator. Now, what a search engine evaluator basically does is they evaluate search engines. But for all of us who actually use Google search and Bing or Yahoo, if you really don't know anything about Google, there's all these people, millions and millions of people every single day who search things on search engines, and those results actually have to be interpreted by robots and algorithms and all these complicated pieces of code that Google has made billions of dollars creating. But it's actually not possible for code to evaluate every single possible search that 7+ billion people are putting into Google millions of times per hour. And that is when you come in, because as a human being, you actually have an incredibly complicated brain, and you're able to interpret things that machines, machine learnings, and algorithms are not. And because you're able to do that, that actually helps improve Google search, which is why companies like Google and other large search engine providers are actually willing to pay for human beings such as yourself to actually evaluate search results that machines and algorithms and code cannot. And because you do this, that actually in turn improves Google, and then Google makes more money, which is why Google's willing to actually pay search engine evaluators to do these tasks on their behalf. Now, if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm also going to be revealing a brand new way to actually make a significant amount of money per hour doing something very similar, except not on search engines, but actually on social media. So if you're like me and you browse Instagram probably a little bit too much, then stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys a second way that you can actually earn even more doing something very similar. So there's a ton of different websites out there that actually allow you to apply to be a search engine evaluator. You can go on ZipRecruiter, you can go on Indeed, but we're going to focus on a few websites that actually specialize just in search engine evaluation services, who partner with the search engine giants such as Google to actually hire people just like you from anywhere in the world to make money online just by evaluating simple Google results. And while there's a lot of different services out there like Radar Labs, Leapforce, Appen, Lionbridge, iSoftstone, we're gonna be mainly talking about just a few of them, but the cool thing is you can actually apply to work at multiple different of these services to actually maximize the chances and how much money you can make by doing these simple tasks. Now, the site that we're gonna be focusing on today is actually called Appen, who recently acquired one of the other large search engine evaluator services, Leapforce, but an honorable mention is Lionbridge, as there are a lot of different services out there. I obviously can't show videos about all of them just in this one place, but that's not taking away from the other services. Just today, we're gonna be focusing on Appen. So you can see if you actually go to appen.com/jobs, that there's a lot of different opportunities out there. There's project, there's micro tasks, there's surveys and data collection. And by the way, we'll actually mention even a third opportunity where you can make money later on in this video, where you can actually make up to $30 an hour or more. Now, does this take a little bit more experience? Of course, but you can work your way up to that, right? Starting out at $12 to $15 per hour, and then as you actually start to accumulate more skills, then of course you can earn more for that skill you've accumulated. So you can see if you actually click projects here that they have a lot of different work from home opportunities for people, you can see right here, from all around the world. And you can see the purpose of this video right here, a search media evaluation, work with the world's top search engine companies, essentially to evaluate the results. Now, as a search engine evaluator, essentially what you're going to be doing is you are going to be evaluating the search engine results for specific queries. Now, what I mean by that is you might type something in like Dallas restaurant. Now, if you type Dallas restaurant, obviously you're probably looking for a restaurant in Dallas, but sometimes search engine results are strange, right? There's synonyms or the same words, or somebody types something in and they see something that's not at all relevant to what they specifically were looking for. That is ultimately what the search engine companies are paying you to uncover, those types of strange words or queries that don't actually produce ultra relevant results for the person who entered it. But the cool thing is, even if you're only working 20 hours a week, and even if you're making on the low end of what you can see that Google says you earn right here per hour to actually be a search engine evaluator, which is $13 to $15 an hour, that means that you can earn up to $260 a week or more at the low end of what Google actually estimates you're gonna make doing this, just to evaluate basic search results. But if only 20 hours a week sounds like less than you actually wanna put in, if you're really trying to save money and invest into a long-term business model like e-commerce or social media marketing, or something that you can really scale but that takes a little bit of money to actually get started, then like I said at the beginning of the video, we do actually have another opportunity that I wanna tell you about where you can actually earn more than $260 per week by adding an extra 10 or 20 hours to your actual work schedule. But before we actually do talk about that, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you tap the like button and make sure you subscribe and join the Bell Squad. It really does mean a lot, every single one of you guys that do actually choose to subscribe, and leave a comment down below that says make money online. And if we can get 500 people to actually comment make money online on this video, then on our next video we'll actually release a brand new completely free way to make money online that you've never seen before. So the other job that I was talking about at the beginning of this video is actually called a social media evaluator. Now, it's very similar to a search engine, but you guessed it, you actually will be evaluating the accuracy and relevancy of ads on social media. Because think about it like this. Facebook wants to actually give you as relevant as possible of ads of things that you're interested in to make your user experience as good as it can possibly be. That means that they need people as well as algorithms and codes and machine learning to actually evaluate whether or not the ads that they're showing you are as relevant as possible to what you're actually interested in. And so what you do is you come in and you actually will evaluate the relevancy and accuracy of ads on social media to try to make the user experience as good as possible for all of Facebook and all the other big social media providers' users as you possibly can. So if you're a regular social media user and you're using social media for more than an hour a day, like 90% of people in the United States and probably around the world already are, heck, you're probably on Instagram right now. But imagine if you could actually get paid to Google search all those cat videos you do anyways for free and to browse on Instagram like we all do for free anyway. And if you're still hungry for even another opportunity and you want to stack these and be a search engine evaluator, a social media evaluator, and you're even looking for a potential third option, there actually is a potential third option called a data collector. Now, what a data collector does is a variety of different things, again, related to machine learning, improving machine learning related to audio, transcription services, and many other things. And the cool thing about a data collector is, as you start to get more experience, and remember, everyone starts from zero, according to Glassdoor, you can actually make up to $30 or more simply by doing basic data collection activities. So if you're looking to make money online and work from home, then Appen and other related services, search engine evaluators, social media evaluators, and data collectors could be the perfect opportunity for you. And if you like videos like this, make sure you check out my other channel called More Kevin David, linked down in the description, because we actually go live 3 times a week and bring on experts from all around the world to talk about the best ways to make money on the internet, and we give that all to you guys for free. And so if you're interested in making money online and learning more about all of this, make sure you subscribe to my other channel, More Kevin David, down below in the description. And if you like podcasts, we actually just cracked the top 25 in the world for our podcast, The Kevin David Experience. So you can actually subscribe to our brand new YouTube channel for our podcast called The Kevin David Experience down below. Make sure you subscribe to both of them. And if you want a brand new playlist of more videos just like this that teach you how to make money online and how to actually work from home and be financially and time free, then stick around, because we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.